You know, the lungs are spongy, elastic, bag-like structures. Lungs are spongy, elastic, bag-like structures. And you know, the lungs are made up of small air sacs, also called alveoli. They are millions in number. Small air sacs called alveoli. They are millions in number. And their main function is gaseous exchange. What is the main function?
Gaseous exchange.
You know, the lungs are located in the chest cavity, also called thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity, also called chest cavity. And exact location, one on either side of the heart. To the right side of the heart, one lung. To the left side of the heart, one lung. Two lungs are present. Okay. So one pair of lungs located in the chest cavity, also called thoracic cavity. One on either side of the heart. And lungs are spongy, elastic, bag-like structures. Is it clear? This tube-like structure is called trachea, also called windpipe. You can feel the rings here. If you touch here, you can feel the rings. These rings are called cartilaginous rings. What do you call them?
Cartilaginous rings.
These rings prevents the trachea from collapsing and closing. So, ఈ trachea close అయిపోకుండా ఈ rings help చేస్తాయి. You can see the lumen here. Lumen అంటే hole. You can see the lumen. So, if you observe here, the lungs are made up of a spongy, elastic, bag-like structure. You can observe here. They are very soft tissue. This is made up of a very soft tissue. Inside the lungs, there may be small chambers. We call them as microscopic air sacs. These microscopic air sacs, also called alveoli. What do you call them? Alveoli. And the main function of alveoli is gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange means you take oxygen, that oxygen enters into the lungs, and carbon dioxide leaves the lungs. This process is called gaseous exchange. And this gaseous exchange takes place inside alveoli, also called microscopic air sacs. Understand? And the location of the lungs is in the chest cavity, also called thoracic cavity. This is the chest cavity or thoracic cavity. In the thoracic cavity, middle portion is occupied by the heart. Middle portion is occupied by the heart. Either side of the heart, right side one lung, left side one lung, totally two lungs are present. So what is the location of lungs? In the chest cavity, either side of the heart. To the right side of the heart one lung, to the left side of the heart one lung. Total two lungs are present. If you observe, the right lung is larger and the left lung is smaller. The reason is, right lung is made up of 3 lobes. How many lobes?
3 lobes.
And left lung is made up of 2 lobes. How many lobes?
2 lobes.
2 lobes. And another reason is, to accommodate the heart, the left lung is smaller, made up of 2 lobes. To accommodate the heart. People say the heart is in the left side, but heart is in the middle, but slightly bending towards the left side. That's why the left lung is smaller. Okay. So how these lungs are going to work? I already told you they are spongy, elastic, bag-like structures. When you blow air in the balloon bulges. In the same manner, when the air enters the lungs, lungs will bulge. When the air goes outside, the lungs will come back to its original position. Did you understand? Yeah. So when air enters inside, inflation takes place. This is inhalation or inspiration. When air goes outside, deflation takes place. That is expiration or exhalation. Let me show you once again. When when I release the air, they are coming back to the normal position. Same thing is happening in our body also. When you take deep breath, your chest comes forward. When you release your breath, chest comes back to the normal position. So what is happening inside? The lungs are bulging and lungs are coming back to the normal position. Same thing is happening here also. Let me show you once again. See, they are coming back to the normal position. Is it okay for you?